Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss the physics MCQs that is related to the topic classification of solid. First MCQ that is we discussed that a polycrystalline solid is made up of one large crystal amorphous region, many small crystal molecules arranged randomly. We know that polycrystalline solid is made up of many small crystals. So here we write that the polycrystalline solid consists of many single crystal called grain or crystalline. Polycrystalline solid is made up of many single crystal that is the grain or crystallite, each having ordered arrangement. So here is the correct option is the many small crystal. So option C is the correct. Now we discuss the second options. Second MCQs that is the small crystalline region present in the polycrystalline solid are called lattice, domain or grain, unit cells or molecules. Okay, we know that each order region in a polycrystalline solid is called a grain. Each grain behave like a single crystal. So here we write that each order region in a polycrystalline solid is called a grain or domain. Each grain behave like a single crystal. Each grain behaves like a single crystal. So here is the correct option is the domains or grains. Okay, now move to the third MCQs. Third MCQs that is the boundary that separate different grain in a polycrystalline solid is known as unit boundary, crystal boundary, grain boundary, and phase boundary. We know that grain are separated by grain boundaries where atomic arrangement is distributed. So here we write that grains are separated by grain boundaries where atomic arrangement is disturbed. In the grain boundary, the arrangement of the atomic arrangement is changed. So the grains are separated by the grain boundaries. So here the correct option is the option C, that is the grain boundaries. Here we discuss the 3 MCQs that is related to the classification of solid. Hope you like my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.